Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you the best deals going on over at Walgreens for the week. I'll show you everything I got, how I got everything you see here for less than $2, and I didn't even use a booster coupon. I'm also going to share with you some of the best grocery deals going on and a lot of other deals that you don't see here on the table, as well as everything I saw on clearance at the end of the video. Now, I have a number of things that I want to share with you. I actually wrote myself a list because there were so many things I wanted to share with you. But I want to tell you that I feel like I'm kind of in that phase or in a phase where it feels like everything's falling apart and something is constantly going wrong. I don't know if you ever get in that phase where it's like every day you wake up and something else is broken or needs attention or is falling apart. So that's been really stressful, but I'm trying my best to focus on the positive, and I did want to share a very fun positive with you. If you didn't see it over on my Instagram, I mentioned that my son auditioned for an opera, and I thought it was a complete long shot. Like, it's a professional opera. There's one kid in it. They needed a boy, and he auditioned and got a call back, and he went for the call back, a couple of weeks ago. He got the part, and I'm just blown away. I'm so proud of him. So that's super exciting. But now he has to practice and be prepared for an opera that will be performing in December. So super cool, super proud of him. Couple of things I want to mention. As I said, everything seems to be falling apart, right? My editing app is just being wonky. For some reason, it's putting things on the screen and leaving them there when I save it. So it's not there when I edit it, but when I save it to my computer, it's leaving graphics on the screen. So if you see graphics just staying on the screen and you're like, why is she doing that? I'm not. It's my editing app. I've emailed them. I don't want to have to learn a new editing software. So I'm hoping that when I go to edit this, it's fine. But I'm not real hopeful because the last couple of weeks it's been doing the same thing. So that was one thing I want to mention. Second thing I want to mention, the new booster coupons that came out said they started on Monday. Typically those booster coupons start on Sundays for the week with the new sales ad, but be careful because if you have a spend booster, like spend 25, get 6, check the date on that sucker because mine said it started on Monday, which is why I did not use a booster coupon in this scenario today. The other thing I want to mention, there was a deal during my Walgreens week that was turn on alerts, text alerts, and get $15 in Walgreens cash. Now, I did not mention this offer because I just had a bad feeling about it, and I typically only want to share deals that I can tell you, hey, this worked, or hey, it didn't work. But this is one of those that said, turn it on during this period, you'll get $15 in Walgreens cash within 14 days. Well, obviously, I can't verify that it works and tell you in a video without waiting 2 weeks. So I waited the 2 weeks that it said it would take to get the money back. And then I realized I didn't get the money back. I messaged with customer service and they said, no, we're not honoring that offer. Walgreens reserves the right to terminate offers or change offers at any time. We're not providing the Walgreens cash for that. That seems really shady to me. So I just wanted to let y'all know, if you're wondering, I did not get the $15 in Walgreens cash for doing that. And I'm not going to sit there and argue with a customer service representative who's just doing what they were told, right? Like, they don't have the power to really change it. They said they were told not to give out the Walgreens cash and they didn't. So that was that. Last thing, AARP. A number of you have contacted me because I had talked about AARP and why I love it. And one of the things was I got additional Walgreens cash back. Apparently, they are no longer going to be partnering with Walgreens. So do I still think the AARP membership is worth it? I do, if you're going to get it on a promotion like the one I mentioned, and I'll drop it down below with the current price, because you get discounts on restaurants, you get discounts on travel, you get access to like shows and exercise programs, and I got like a newsletter, but they also have a rewards program where you can earn points and then cash those points out for gift cards. So I think I paid $12. That's off the top of my head, but I've already gotten one $5 gift card back and I haven't even messed with that reward system very much. So really, you could probably recoup your entire $12 and make a little bit of money if you're interested in using their reward system. Okay, I think that was everything I wanted to mention this morning. Now let's jump into the deals. So easy deal, anyone can do. The Pringles are buy one, get one free. I did this on curbside, so they were $3.49, buy one, get one free. That makes the final cost $1.74 each. That was cheaper than my grocery store price, and I used my Walgreens cash to pay because I have tons of Walgreens cash from my Walgreens week. The other, I guess it was the only grocery item. The other thing that I found that was a grocery item was tons of candy on clearance, and I'll put those pictures at the end, but this was $1.79 on clearance. A couple more grocery deals that I will mention. The cashews were $2.98, and again, nothing seems to be going right. So I woke up early this morning to do all the matchups, but the Walgreens ad, what it said in the ad and what it was showing as the online price weren't matching. So the cashews were not showing as $2.98. It's probably fixed by the time this video is coming out because it is in the weekly ad that it's $2.98 this week. The Skippy peanut butter is 2 for $6. There is a $1 digital coupon that makes it 2 for $5. There's some candy that's 2 for $3. There's a $1 digital that makes it 2 for $2 or $1 each. Those baggies, the nice baggies or complete home, whatever the Walgreens brand is on those, they are buy one, get two free again this week. And that's something else to mention, like, don't freak out if your store doesn't have stock or if you miss a week, because all of these deals are cyclical, so they come and go pretty consistently. You'll see, like, I have graphics that I created months ago and the deal comes back and I just use that same graphic again because the deal just keeps cycling back. So don't worry if you miss a week. Now, a couple of clearance things, and I found this earlier in the week, last week. I found these Carmex at 30 cents a piece, so the SPF Carmex. I also found this Herstat. They were marked at $2.19. I noticed I had a $6 digital. Now, of course, it's in-store clearance. I have to spend at least $6 for that $6 digital to come off. So I bought 3 of them at $2.19. The $6 digital did come off, leaving me to pay just 57 cents. Now, there is a $6 coupon on the ShopMeum app. Because I bought 3 and that coupon is $6 off 1, I went ahead and submitted my receipt to ShopMeum to see if they will give me that $6 back. I should get it back because I bought 3 items and I only used 1 coupon. But I submitted it last night and it has not come through yet. I can let you know, but keep an eye out for these clearance items in your store. Now, the Bic pens. Now, these were buy one, get one half off last week. It was still showing buy one, get one half off this morning in the app, so hopefully you still see that. But there are Ibotta offers to combine with these as well as a digital coupon. So I picked up the Bic Intensity at $3.84 and the Bic Echolutions half price at $1.79. I had $1.50 digital, so I paid $4.13, and then I got $2 back on each of them on Ibotta, making my final cost just 13 cents. So double check, make sure they're buy one, get one half off on Walgreens, and then make sure you have the 2 different Ibotta offers for $2 each on the Bic Intensity as well as the Bic Echolutions. Now, easy deal. Anyone can do this week if your store has the stock. These Crest Pro Health, it's the smaller mouthwash. They are $3. You want to buy 4 of them. There's a $6 digital coupon, so you'll pay $6, and then you'll get $6 back in a register reward if you do it in store. If you do this one curbside, you would get back $6 in Walgreens cash. You can use Walgreens cash to pay because it's based on buying 4. Okay, so I paid with Walgreens cash. I did this curbside. I got Walgreens cash back on my order. If you do it in store, you'll get a $6 register reward. And I've heard it's also giving a $4 register reward in store. So you would pay $6 and get $10 in register rewards back, making it free and a $4 moneymaker. And that was working on the Crest mouthwash as well as the Vivid toothbrushes. My store has very limited stock on any of the Crest products that are at $3. Now, if you are a Colgate fan, there's also a Colgate deal. You buy 2 of the products at $4. There's a $3 digital, so you would pay $5, getting back a $4 register reward. So you'd want to do it in store, leaving your final cost to be $1 or just 50 cents each. Now, the Venus. Now, this is on promotion for buying 2 and getting $10 in Walgreens cash back. I picked up 1 razor at $10, 1 razor at $15. I had 2 different digital coupons, one for $7 off, one for $5 off. My total was $13. I did use Walgreens cash to pay, okay? And then I got back $10 in Walgreens cash, leaving my final cost to be $3 or just $1.50 each. Now, I was thinking this would be better if I waited until tomorrow when I had my spin booster, but my digital coupons said they expired today. So I went ahead and did the deal today because I wanted to be able to tell you about it. But just check your digital coupons on those and double check the expiration date because mine looked like they expired today. Now, here is a deal that was supposed to work. It did not work, but my receipt is in review. So this product, specifically the 9 count, is on the Swagbucks app for buy 2, get $3 back. These are just $1 a piece. So I picked up 2 of them at $2. I submitted my receipt to Swagbucks to get $3 back, making it a $1 moneymaker, but the receipt did not go through. I had to request a review of the receipt. But in the fine print, it says the 9 count qualifies for the offer, so hopefully they give me the $3 back. Again, I can let you know down in the comments when that process is, but I just submitted my receipt this morning. Now, a couple other offers that I haven't mentioned yet. The Dramamine is $4.99. There is a $2 digital coupon that makes it $2.99. I believe that was it. When I was online earlier today, I saw ginger ale and A&W for 3 for $14.99. So I had posted that over on Instagram. But of course, they updated the price. So it's actually buy 2, get 1 free on the sodas. And they were like $9.50 each. So what is that? $9.99 each. About $19 for 3 packs of soda. So if that interests you, that is a deal as well. I think that was it. Obviously, don't forget to submit to the PG Good Everyday program for the points back on the Procter & Gamble products that you're purchasing. If you're not using that program yet, it's completely free. I'll drop a link to it down in the comment section. If you have questions, let me know. If you're doing other deals that are amazing, let us know down in the comments. We'd love to hear it. Hopefully there has not been a graphic stuck up on the screen this entire time and my editing app is back to working. But with the way things have been going lately, there's probably a graphic right over my face. Hope y'all have a great start to your week, and if your kids went back to school, hope they had a great back to school week. Thanks.